Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first ever Lethal Cosmetics unboxing for you. Here it is. It is a mystery box. I think it was like the large or the extra large mystery box. I had to go to the post office this morning to get this because I wasn't here yesterday when it was delivered. And I figured I'm going to use some big brain energy here. I would go rather early so I could be back quicker, you know what I mean? Every single store of that mall opens at 9 AM, so I had to wait a bit for the goddamn post office open. So anyways, here it is. I think this is originally like €70, but it was reduced to 30 or something. I've never ordered anything from Lethal, so Lethal. I'm really excited. So let's open it. We got a little thank you note here. Here is the pouch. There's more filling material than in the Look Fantastic boxes. What's that, M1s? I just broke the zipper. Ooh. Ooh, we have some single shadows over here. Let's open them up. Like I saw someone unbox this and I knew there would be single shadows in, and I purchased them fully knowing that, alright? And spoiler for my Panda Palette series, I'm very well under 90 shadows. I can buy a few more. I will do a swatch video with these. What I like, there are 4 in here. Holy moly, that one looks amazing. Okay, we're gonna start off with this one. Enigma. We'll zoom in for that. So this is Enigma, which is it's like a pink with purple shimmer to it. Oh, I think that looks amazing. And how much is in here? 1.6 grams. I think that looks very nice. Up next, we have this one here. This is called Willow, which looks like a matte brown. Has a bit of a red undertone to it. Okay, like so far. I think I will keep the best for last. Now, then we have Runic, R-U-N-I-C, which is a beautiful mustard color. Now, you know me, I'm not really a fan of colorful shadow, but I feel like this one here, Willow, is the savior because that's like a matte brown, and I feel like I could make it work. This is also a matte mustard. It's a bit more orange in real life than it looks on camera, but it looks beautiful. I think the last shadow in here is Black Forest, which is actually a region in Germany. I've been there a lot of times. Do you see this? Holy moly, that looks amazing. And it works well with the yellow one. It might also work well with the brown one, and maybe also with the purple or the pink. Oh, that looks amazing. Look at this. So we have yellow, orange, light green, dark green, and shimmer to it. Oh, that looks amazing. That looks beautiful. I wonder though how it will perform. Maybe I hope it doesn't look patchy. So this I will actually get rid of. See, I'm recycling things. I'm mad that I broke the zipper. Like, I cannot use this anymore. Damn it. Or maybe, this is my first time buying from them. Maybe it's supposed to break. I don't think it's supposed to break. Nah. So that sucks, but that's okay. Then let's see. We have some more in here. There's one big thing in here. We'll just take it out. Lethal Cosmetics, a palette. Gridlock palette? Is that an empty one or is that a full one? It's an empty one. So this is what that one looks like. It's an empty one. Now I want to see, are the names on the back of the shadows as well? Or do I have to? Oh yeah, it is. So I can just put them into this. Whee! That's nice. So how do I get them out now? I should have thought about that before I put them in. Okay, so they do have the names on the back, which is very handy and I appreciate it. I don't know how I will actually arrange them to make it look cohesive. I mean, there are 4 slots here, so I will probably put them next to each other. But I like that, like purple and green. Very nice. Some more trash. There's some more things in here. 2 more things. Then I will sadly get rid of this one because, I can't use it anymore. Okay, I'm going to try this one here. This is the Lethal Cosmetics Site FX Gel Liner in Polarity, and it looks like it's blue. Oh my god, it is blue. Oh! Okay. Oh, that feels smooth. you see how pigmented it is? Do you see how pigmented it is? Now, the only thing that I hate about this is I don't have any shadow that would match with the blue liner. Because in case you don't know, I'm still using my Baby Yoda palette, which is very green heavy. I mean, this is literally a green palette. Then the Nomad one, which has 2 greens left. I mean, there are some neutral shades in there, so maybe... Wow, that wasn't even dry yet. So maybe I could use it with the neutral shades. But this is nice. I cannot remember when I last bought a gel liner. I had one from L'Oreal ages ago, and I used it so little that it dried out. So I hope I can actually use this a bit more. Let's hope. The last but not least is the Lethal Plush Lip Cream in Haze. Packaging is very, very fancy. Okay, it has separated a little. I don't know how well you... Oh, can see that? Yeah, it's a little separated. It's not called Haze, it's called Phoenix. I came prepared. Look at this. Ready? Ooh. I like that. Definitely looks nice. So I'm gonna recycle this one. But you know, I can also take this one out. That was everything that was in the mystery box. And listen, for 33 euro, this is actually amazing, right? Keep in mind, I have a lip balm underneath. So we got the empty palette, which comes in very handy for all the shadows that I got. And then I don't know if I have any shadows with this pen size and like the square pens. Maybe this will be a nice travel palette, you know, just take shadows out of palettes that you already have, put them in here, and you're good to go. So yeah, so we have one empty palette, we have one gel liner in, I'll show it again, blue. I'm actually excited for that. Then we have the lip cream in Phoenix. And then we have Runic. We have Enigma. We have Willow. And then we have Black Forest. I'm so excited to see how that one works. I will actually film a swatch video. I don't know if I do that right now or if I do that later, but with all 4 of them, it will be a very short video, right? But I really want to see what that one looks like. 7 products, let me know if you think that these are worth 33 euro. I mean, they are probably worth more, but would they be worth 33 euro to you? You know, for my first time trying this brand, I'm actually excited. Some people might be disappointed in an empty palette like that, but no. What? I'm happy that I have it, because what would I do with these? I don't have any space to put them, so I can put them in here. Then we're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Which shadow do you prefer? I have high hopes for this. Please do not let me down. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and that's the next one.